Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see 3 zero cost planters. See, this is $6.99. We can recreate it free of cost. So for the first idea, I'm going to take a detergent bottle. You have to mark and cut as per the shape I have drawn. These planters are easy to make, and before throwing this plastic, you can reuse it for your home. So you can recycle them. So now to form a hanging hook, I'm going to bend this. To make it stand bent, I'm going to heat it using a candle and try to retain its shape. So to make its shape firm, we are going to run this under a tap water. Sorry for the bad video. I was shooting in one hand, so this is the clarity I could get. Okay, so then you can easily hang it, so it will stand stiff. The hanger will stand stiff. So this is how you can use it for succulents. I used another pot so that cleaning becomes easy. For the next idea, I'm going to use a body wash bottle. This is the most popular magnetic planter which you would have seen for the fridge. I'm going to cut it, and then to seal the edges, I'm going to use painter's tape because it will be a little sharp. So I use this painter's tape. You can reuse all the items at your home and make these planters easily. Best out of waste. Now I'm going to take a white acrylic paint and coloring the body wash bottle. You can use you can also use wall paint or mixed media paste as well. So I allowed it to dry completely. Now I'm going to take black acrylic paint and using zero brush trying to draw some random lines. Just trying to eyeball and keep it equal. I'm just recreating the same design which is there on Amazon. So you can actually do any design of your choice. Even a simple dot art will look nice, or some polka dots. Any pattern of your choice you can choose, or you can use decoupage technique or any other technique with stickers also and decorate. Then I'm going to just draw some random patterns, observing the one which is there on Amazon. So I'll complete this design through all the lines which I have drawn like this, and then I'm going to take red acrylic paint and fill the gaps. This will look so near to the store-bought one. You can see the outcome later. See, already looking like you would have seen this somewhere, right? And then I'm going to finish it off with yellow color on top and bottom. You can do this with any other bottles, or even with the lotions bottle as well. Then I'm adding the magnet. This magnet you will get in any stationery shop. Then you can add any plant which can propagate. So only for propagation also you can use. So I have just put the money plant here. This is how it looks. So pretty, right? See, $6.99 one at zero cost we could make. So for the next idea, I'm going to use this parcel dabba. I applied mixed media paste outside. Now I'm going to heat the sharp object and create 4 holes here. I'm going to make a hanging pot out of this. I had a small plant which was hanging plant but lying down. So I wanted to create something to be hung. So this is the easy method I found. So I'm sharing it with you all. So this plastic we usually throw it away. So we can reuse it for some time and then throw it away. So I'm just creating a very simple panda design. So I just colored it with mixed media paste because I wanted a texture behind. You can directly paint just the eyes as well. So I'm going to make eyes, nose and mouth here using black acrylic paint, and then a little bit of pink blush. So like this I'm going to cover the eyes. This looks so cute. So if you make multiple of these and hang it one next to each other, it will look more good. This you can also hang it to the windows as well, or if you have a mesh you can hang it on that as well. This will look really cute, and you can allow this to be made by your kids as well, except for the whole part. So like this I'm going to color them. Then I'm going to use pink color blush. This is how it looks. So cute, right? So on 4 sides I'm going to tie thread. Any thread you can take, even jute rope you can take, and then on top all the 4 we'll connect and make a loop so that it's easy to hang. So this is how it looks. Isn't it pretty? So you can hang it anywhere. So this is the plant I wanted to hang. So this is how it looks. Hope you like our creative ideas. Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.